Hi guys and gals, welcome to the new update on Bitcoin. This is Atif and you are watching Moon333, and the information I'm providing in this video is for educational purpose only. This is not intended to be investment advice, so please seek a duly licensed professional and do your own research as well for investment advice. Guys, this was a signal I was waiting for. As in my previous videos, I've shared with you that I'm waiting for these three combination of signals. Like I was waiting for first this signal, that is the William top bottom indicator, and it is turned gray on this weekly chart. We can see when it was turned green, it was giving signals that the sellers are active and the sell is on its peak of acceleration. And I'm also waiting for the bullish signals by this momentum indicator and a bull cross from this stochastic indicator as well. For example, if we see the previous move of the Bitcoin when it was moving in the same kind of above the same kind of downtrend line from 2018 to 2019, we can see that when the momentum turned bullish and we already had received the signals by this William top bottom indicator, it was already turned gray, and we received the bullish or bull cross by this stochastic indicator. Then we can see that the price line turned very strong bullish and moved up by more than 344%. And we have also examined that previously when the price line was moving above this downtrend line, when the price line moved below the level where the volume profile was showing very low interest of the trader or weak interest of the traders, then it turned very strong bullish. And for the people who have missed that signal or video, I'm just showing again by placing this volume profile on the current chart. And we can see this is the price line moving above this downtrend line from here up to here, up to this level. And we can see that we had the point of control of the volume profile above $6,500, and we can see this is the area that is showing the volume profile is showing that we have a very low or weak interest of the traders at this area. And now we can see that, and that was below $6,000. And we can see when the price line moved below $6,000, it turned very strong bullish. And now we can see that the price line has almost formed same as like the previous downtrend line. And if we place the volume profile again on this fresh downtrend line that is formed by the BTC, then we can see that we have a very low trader's interest below $7,000 or $7,200, and we have this POC or point of control of the volume profile above $10,350, and we are at this time moving at the level where the trader's interest is weak. Therefore, there are strong chances that the price line will again turn strong bullish, and it will start another bullish rally. But we should use the 200 simple moving average support, as we have discussed in my previous video, that we are just moving above the critical support of 200 simple moving average on the same weekly chart. That is really very critical support. Once that will be broken down, then the price line can turn very strong bearish. Therefore, we should use that 200 simple moving average support of weekly chart as our stop loss. Now I am waiting for the momentum. Now we can see at this time the momentum is turning bearish. Once it will be turned bullish like it was here, and I will receive the bullish signals from the stochastic, then that will be a buying signal for the Bitcoin. That will be a strong bullish signal for the Bitcoin, and after that we can witness again another strong bullish rally that we have witnessed in from Feb to June 2019. Move to some smaller time period chart, and that is very short term time period chart on hourly chart. I published this article yesterday where I predicted that the price line is forming a bullish flag, because we were already the price line has hit the support of 200 simple moving average on weekly chart. Therefore, I was expecting a bounce from here, and you can see that the price line was forming a bullish flag, and I was expecting another bull flag after this bullish flag. And I'm just playing this idea. Then you can see that now the price line is now forming another flag, and even after forming another flag, it is likely to move up again. And yesterday on this hourly very short-term chart, we were above the 200 simple moving average, and we were in a kind of sandwich situation between the 100 and the 200 simple moving averages. But I was expecting that using the support of this 100 simple moving average, the price line will cross up this 200 simple moving average as well, and the both moving averages will lift the price line with more power, and we can have a breakout from the wedge resistance where the price line was moving. At this time, we can see this is the current position on hourly chart. We can see that the price line has crossed up the both moving averages, the 100 and the 200 simple moving averages. Now it is in more strong position because we have the 100 and the 200 simple moving averages supports on this hourly chart, and we can see that after forming the second bull flag, the price line is trying to have a breakout from the second bull flag, and maybe it will go for the third and other bull flag. And this is the wedge of hourly chart where the price line is moving at the moment, and we can see that at this time on this live hourly chart, the price line is making another attempt after this attempt. It is making the second attempt to have a breakout from this resistance of the wedge, and we have a powerful supports of the 200 simple moving averages and the 100 simple moving averages, as I predicted in my previous article that I published yesterday, that after having the breakout from the 100 and the 200 simple moving averages, we will have strong supports of both moving averages, and both moving averages all together will provide a strong support to the price action to have a breakout from this wedge. Once the price line will be able to have a breakout from this wedge, then we can witness a very strong bullish rally by the Bitcoin that can be reflected on the long term, even on the weekly chart as well. And at this time, we can see that the Bollinger Bands is turning bullish. It is turned very strong bullish, and we are also having the support of the Bollinger Band as well. We can see that the lower band of the Bollinger Band this time is above the support of this wedge, and therefore there are less chances that the price line will again hit at the support of this wedge. But the next bullish move on the Bitcoin, even on the bigger time period charts as well, is depend on the breakout from this falling wedge, because we can see that if we see on this hourly chart, then we can see that after a long time period, we were facing a very strong bearish trend since Feb and March 2020, and after a long time period, we can see the price line was being consolidated at this level and formed this wedge, and now it is making the attempt to have a breakout from this wedge. Therefore, this breakout is very much important if we want to see a strong bullish rally even on the bigger time period charts. And definitely when the price line will start the next bullish rally, then the very big bullish garlic pattern that I have shown in my previous videos, so many videos, that the price line has formed on the monthly chart, that will be executed soon. But all depends on some circumstances. At this time, we can see that the market cap is going good. The people are trading the Bitcoin, holding Bitcoin, and the more investors are coming. The market cap of all over the cryptocurrency is more than $180 billion at this time. It all depends on the circumstances. If the people will panic and they will start selling off the Bitcoin and the cryptocurrencies, then the price line can again drop on the 200 simple moving average on the weekly chart. That is our very strong, but also on the other hand, very, very critical support that should be saved. if we want to see the long-term powerful bullish rally. So these are the two more signals I'm waiting for on the weekly chart. One is the momentum and other one is the stochastic with the bottom signal by this volume indicator that we have already received. After that, we can have a very powerful bullish rally in the long term. This is a long-term analysis, and it for this move that I'm predicting here on this chart, on this weekly chart, that will need some patience. Therefore, the people who will hold the Bitcoin with the patience and wait for some more bullish signals and strictly use the stop loss as the 200 simple moving average as a stop loss, and the potential reversals on of the bullish garlic pattern that is formed on the monthly chart that I have already shared in my previous videos as well. That can be also used as our stop loss. So guys, thank you so much for watching the complete video. If you like the video, then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel for more analysis about the Bitcoin and about the different assets as well. Take care. Goodbye.